Hi, how you doing?
All right, thanks for having me on the farm.
You're more than welcome.
So I do triathlon, which is swimming, biking, and running, but we're going to kind of practice everything that goes into going from the swim to the bike. Now, this is to protect our hair.
All right.
Oh, you got it. You got it. Okay, maybe not over the eyes. 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's go. I guess we know who the athlete is. So what we're looking for is super jumbo. Let's see how good you are at spotting them on the way up.
Oh, is this a jumbo?
Yep.
Yes.
Push. Yeah, well, see, that's where it comes in handy, that biathlon.
John, I learned a lot today. Thank you.
I'm so glad you could come out and
Yeah.
experience this day with us. And I just wish the sun shined a little more.
It's Vermont. You expect it.